Gungun.
Blue ball.
Ha? Maganda
Blue
din
ball,
yun.
blue ball.
Manod niya pa. Gabi
White
apoy.
ball, sorry, white ball. White.
Libre siya eh.
White ball.
Dito sa sabi na. Babasketball. Ang
Okay,
galing
okay,
ng
G.
Umar.
G, huwag kayo isa magkuya.
Lumabas nga.
Mindaro.
Yes!
Change favor. Ay, ano, all 12.
Hindi mas lalo.
Eh, kuya!
Slide Payo yung pasa kay Mindaro. Lays it in. Tugs up the foul. Basket is good. May kaup. First personal foul. First team foul. Alam mo kayong pansit dyan? Complete. Katindo. Oy! Nice block, Ton. Gamitan mo ng ano. And tumaksik sa tray. Wala. Ayos yung play nila na yan. Mindaro, pinabantayan ni Yomo. Naiiwan si Benedict. Pasa kay Payoyo for tray. No good. Ang sipag. Patalunod Tonton. Wala. Yomo for tray. Wala. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Official score 15-12. Still favor of Team Originals. Katalino nagmamadali. Pasa kay Mindaro Bates. Took some about from jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty tayo rin ba? Penalty. First free throw is good. Mindaro lays it in. No good. 18-15 in favor of Team Originals. George Pace. Naka-steal ni Galome. Basang-basa niya yun. Laging first game yan. Yun lang. Mindaro. Pasa kay Catalino. Tugsap sa foul from jersey number 3. De Los Reyes. Pasa kay. Yun lang. Martin. To Istora. To Mindaro. Nagmamadali. 2 points.
Ay, hindi ko nakuha habol.
De Los Reyes nagmamadali. Pasa kay Rusty. Wow, highlights by Rusty. First possession, first traveling violation. Third quarter. Next game, Team Limar, Team Exalto. Ready na kayo? Game again. No good. Rebound by Ratchless, jersey number 22. It's 7 moves to Exalto Power. 3 points by Mark Malim. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Mark, tumira ng chicken wings? Wala. Pitong chicken thigh. Bitin pa. Ang ganda ng pasa. Wala lang, di natapos. 14 to shoot. 14 seconds shot lang. De Los Reyes. Pasa kay Rusty. Rusty binitbit. Nagkambubuhan si Chan. Mindaro again. Lays it in for 2. 32-22. Balik sa 10 ang laman ng Team Originals.